All right, I'm going to walk you through how to submit your product order form. As it mentions above, please limit submissions to once weekly whenever possible. Obviously, if there's an emergency, please submit one. We'd rather have you submit something than go out into the field and not be prepared, but submit it weekly whenever possible and follow your minimum inventory checklist to know how much you need to order. First, what you'll do is you'll start by entering in the name of the field expert that is submitting the order. If you're new and for whatever reason your name is not on here, then please check with your team leader and we can get your name added as fast as possible. Once that's done, there's a few different sections, and this really goes through in a systematic way where it talks about the granules that we can use in the field. Then it gets into liquid products. As you move past all the liquid products, you'll see that it gets into different types of dusts. We'll move into weed products that we use around the house, and then we'll get into granular baits. It really just walks through step by step everything that you can use on a house, aerosols. Towards the bottom, you'll get into more of the rodent stuff with traps and bait boxes. And then we'll actually get into equipment repair when you get further down, and safety equipment. And so if you need to order gloves, if you need to order another B&G screen filter or a tip for your B&G, whatever the case might be, then go ahead and enter in the quantities that you want by just simply checking the box. And if you're doing a roach clean out, then you will need to check this since we don't issue this to everybody on a consistent basis. This is checked out of the cage. Down towards the bottom, there's a couple of things that you do need to make sure that you are answering. Even if you don't need it, you need to respond with NA. And so if you need anything repaired, any equipment, then you need to write in exactly what it is that you need repaired in a description of it. If you don't, then you still need to type in NA as meaning not applicable. Same thing if you're missing any equipment, if you're left something at a house or something, whatever the case might be, then just make sure that you enter in whatever the case is here. Most of the time this will be NA, but always answer appropriately and honestly. Lastly, you'll hit submit down here on the bottom left. This will get sent over to the lead that's running the cage, and we'll make sure that your order gets fulfilled in a timely fashion before you leave.